I knock it out. No rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. If I know pull out, she got my back. Although you cool, I'm happy that. Although you cool, say everything I do is for my woman.
What up though? It's your girl Coco and we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title below, we are going to be doing a Sam's Club haul.
I didn't get that. Could you try again?
This girl always wants somebody talking to her. No one's talking to her. No one's talking to her. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this haul. Before we get started, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell. Let's go. All right, don't come for me because everything's on the floor. It wasn't gonna fit on the counter. So we're gonna start from this side to that side. First over here, we have some Rotel. We have some Tony's Creole seasonings, Alfredo sauce, some disinfectant wipes because y'all already know what time it is. We got some ketchup, relish, and mustard combo, okay? Some Velveeta cheese. We have some of these Febreze. Y'all know what Febreze do. Clean your air, make it smell good. And then you got some condensed milk. We have these storage containers, a set of 8. And y'all, everything was on sale, so we got with the sales, but that's besides the point. Then we have some jalapenos, because if you don't got jalapenos, what you doing? We got some Robitussin, because y'all be sick. Y'all need to get it together. We got some nice handy dandy scope crest that had that pearly whites. We gonna head back here. We got some allergy, and we got some Neosporin, because I have a toddler and he's wild, okay? Got some Velveeta cheese. Got this lemonade country time because y'all already know we down in the dirty, dirty South. And we got some of these toddlers multivitamins. This chicken breast and water premium Members Mark canned chicken to have on hand. They're really good. Can make all kind of things with that. We got this olive oil. Y'all, for this 2-pack of nonstick olive oil spray, it was $4. Yeah, get into it. Okay, so then we got this Mike's Hot Honey because it's good on everything. Just slap it on there like a piece of meat. I don't know. Then we got this Parmesan cheese. And we got this Hawaiian Breeze in Glade for some Airwick and things as such. Then we have this buttermilk pancake mix. And I know y'all like Coco. Didn't you just make some pancake mix? But it was cheaper to get this than make it. And then it comes with the bag, so you ain't even got to store it. So don't come for me. Come for your mama. Anyways, we got some tobacco sauce. Tabasco. There you go. That right there. Then we got this good handy dandy Gain trash bags because we ain't trying to smell your funky trash. Then we got this Wolf's chili because we're doing a birthday party and we needed these, and it's just good to have, okay? Then we got this big pack of chapstick because we don't know if it's gonna be cold, we don't know if it's gonna be hot, but we gonna not be chapped. That's what we know, okay? Then we're going to move on to some baking stuff. We got some semi-sweet morsels chocolate chips. We got some coconut oil, cold pressed and unrefined, okay? The good old way. This was $8 for 56 fluid ounces. So I say that is a steal, okay? Then we got this granulated sugar because you need sugar with anything you do. You need sugar, okay? We got this 25-pound of flour. Now, when I tell y'all, guess how much this was? 15 bucks. Yep, 25 pound of flour. I'll wait, okay? Then we got some more of this Dawn Power Wash because if you know, you know. If you don't know, you can get to know, okay? We got this Finish dishwashing. Yeah, y'all know what that is, okay? Then we got this duster air pressure to press out the stuff in between your gadgets, okay? Got this glass cleaner, foam in action. It's the best glass cleaner. You're gonna see yourself, you're gonna see God through them, all right? Now we're gonna move on to this good old seasoning, okay? So we got garlic, we got bay leaves, we got curry powder, we got red pepper, we got ground turmeric, and we have parsley flakes. Also, we got this Bang Bang chicken wing. No, I'm kidding. We got this Bang Bang sweet and spicy seasoning sauce. It says here for a limited time, so don't waste your time looking at it. Go get it, okay? Then we got this Weber's jalapeno popper smoky and garlic season. I don't know what we doing, but just that title alone got us, okay? Next on our list, we got this big 48 ounce of pure honey, because you can do a lot of things with honey medicinally and tastefully, okay? And this was $9, and so we couldn't pass up on that good deal right there, okay? Then we got this creamy almond butter, okay? If y'all haven't got hip to it, y'all know those protein balls we make here on this channel. I've done it several times on here. I'll go ahead and link it up here. But this is what we use instead of peanut butter. This almond butter right here, it's going to hit the spot every time. All righty? Now we're going to go to a little bit of extra stuff. We got this Alvino just because. I can't say too much on that, but we got that Alvino. All right? Then we got 2 of these Olay free outlash body wash, because that's just what it is, okay? That's what you need. It come with I don't know, peaches, roses, and I believe that's pomegranate. So you're gonna be smelling good. And they got the scratch snip. If you don't like the sniffs, it smelled pretty good, okay? Last on our list, we got this variety pack of Glade automatic spray. Now this was a limited edition, obviously, because it says that, but this was a really good steal, because I know at Walmart this alone is $14, and this whole set was $14, and it comes with 3 different smell goods, okay? So we're not gonna be funky here, because we got this and the Febreze. I'll wait. But that is the end of this beautiful haul that we have here, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, because we are organizing this pantry. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Anything I thought where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you,